This is Jason Hollifield, Storm Director at Duke Energy, with an update on restoration efforts after this historic storm. Crews continue to work in the hardest hit areas, particularly in the upstate of South Carolina and the mountains of North Carolina. We're using every resource available, including helicopters, drones, and tracked vehicles, to assess damage in largely inaccessible areas. We estimate there are more than 10,000 broken poles and hundreds of miles of down power lines. In both North and South Carolina, we restored service to all critical hospital locations served by Duke Energy. More than 150 critical water and sewer facilities and more than half of our damaged substations have been restored. Thank you for your patience as our crews continue to make progress. For more information on our restoration efforts, please visit duke-energy.com.